Okay, for my latest project, I am building a 2000 Pontiac Firebird Pro Stock dragster using the classic Revell generic kit and a set of Slicks decals to replicate Bruce Allen's Rare and Morrison ride. In doing my research for the car, I discovered that the kit wheels are nowhere close to correct. So on searching the internet, I came up with these that are much closer to the actual wheels of the car from a company called Futura Attraction. The wheels themselves, the centers are a front and back photo etched with a turned aluminum rim, and the front wheel has a brass center hub. Went together real easily. These tires on the back are actually from the gentleman as well. They're a very soft compound, one piece, very more realistic looking. At this point, I have cleaned them up and used a long out of production tire stencil for NASCAR from Replica and Miniatures of Maryland. Did some shifting. It's not an exact fit, but I think it gives a much better look than just a decal. The front wheels are the actual kit, or the front tires are actually the kit pieces. After looking at the wheels and mocking them up a couple times, I decided that it was going to show too much through, so I also went back to Scott Popham at Futura Attractions and ordered front and rear rotor and brake caliper kits. They're very nice, very realistic looking pieces. Here's one of the front. Get a little bit better focus there. Mocked up. I have not glued the caliper halves onto the mounting surface yet. I'm waiting till I get replacements, seeing as how I managed to mess one of them up. No shocker there for those that know me at all. The photo etched pieces come on a backing such as this. And as you can see by the rotors and this flange end piece, the side that's attached to the rubber has a blue finish on it that is not anywhere near prototypical. The mounting points I've already worked out. Got the bluing off. This rotor disc portion has been cleaned up on both sides. This one has yet to be done. I've tried a few different things. What I have decided I like is using a steel wire cut brush and a Dremel tool. This one is a Dremel 8220 battery rechargeable variable speed. I really do like it for doing modeling. Can turn the speed down to a pretty low speed when I need it. Something else I've tried tonight, just took a wooden stir paddle, stick, whatever you have laying around. I put a piece of masking tape on upside down just to give me a little stick to help hold that rotor. And then I'll simply take my wire wheel and start working it. So I don't have to talk over that Dremel. I'm going to stop for now. And as you can see, it does a very good job of taking the blue off. Now I'll go back and hit it with a real fine piece of sandpaper to knock some of the shine off, make it look more like a rotor. Probably even swirl it around a little bit to try to follow the direction that the vent holes are drilled. So when you assemble it, obviously you want to pay attention to the orientation of these pieces so that the two on one side are facing the same direction and opposite of the two on the other side. So thanks for checking this out. Have a good night.